Ella from YL Sunshine Diamonds, and today I'm going to draw the winner of the competition for last month. So last month it was do a 100 PV order in my team, YL Sunshine Diamonds, and you go in the draw to win. So I had one new member enter, so that winner is Kathleen B, and you've won an oil of your choice up to $40 value. And then I had a number of people, hope you can see them, who went in the draw for this month, for last month, and so I'm going to draw it. So I'm going to pour them all somehow in to my little bowl. So let's do this, get them all in. There we go. And then we'll give it a little stir and we'll see who the winner is. So the winner today will be, let's see, someone who's going to win an oil of their choice. It is Ella P. So Ella P, you're the winner of the competition. Well done, because you did a 100 PV order in the team. And I'll do another video soon to let you know the promo for this month. Have a great one, and congratulations to Kathleen and Ella. Bye.